Ask Tom on Home Show.
Jack from Wilmette, Illinois, has a question about a shed makeover.
Yeah, he ordered, Tom, this 16 by 36 shed to kind of create a weekend place. And
Nice.
As you can see, not a lot of insulation in there, but I got another picture he sent us too. Here you go. Here's another angle of it as well. And
Okay.
he writes to us, I'm not sure how to insulate it. I've looked at bats and spray foam because it has no soffits. We want a cathedral space, and we're concerned of humidity when it's closed down for winter or long periods of time. It's off the grid, so just a wood burner heat stove to start, maybe a solar-powered mini split later. He's in for a surprise there. Your opinion, your opinion would be appreciated.
The insulation package is going to be standard that you would do anywhere in that part of the country. So go ahead. To me, I would just use a fiberglass bat, frame it all up the way you want it, creating the interior space. I would do a solid sandwich of the fiberglass at the proper R values. I'm going to assume somewhere on the wall it's going to be a 19 and in the attic a 42. But I still want you to check your local energy requirements, and they'll let you know on that one. I think I'm pretty close with that. And as far as that goes, when it comes to humidity, a wood burning stove is going to dry that place out like crazy. So, and when the winter time, you probably want a humidifier to get a little humidity in there so your nose isn't bleeding. So I don't think you're going to have a problem in the winter time. And in the summertime, it's a dehumidifier or an air conditioning system. Now you say a solar power mini split. I've never heard of one that's going to handle a space that big. Maybe they have them out there. Someday they will. But quite frankly, right now, air conditioning systems and solar power just don't go together because the amount of energy needed to run an air conditioning system and the battery pack system that it would take to store the power and distribute the power throughout, including your lights and your refrigerator, you're looking at a solar farm. So I doubt you're going to be able to go that far, especially in Illinois. So the solar thing is a long way to go, but that doesn't mean you couldn't get into some kind of more efficient generator system or something. I don't know. You'll have to look into that. But as far as the insulation, remember this: insulation does not cool. Insulation does not heat. So the more is not going to make you warmer, and more is not going to make you cool, or less is not going to make you cooler, or however you're looking at it. It only it keeps the heat from transferring. So if it's hot on the inside and cold outside, it holds the heat in. If it's hot on the outside and cold on the inside, it keeps the heat out. But whatever system you have to bring it to the temperature you want and the airflow over your skin with ceiling fans and things, that's the way you're going to make yourself feel cool, or with a wood stove, feel warm.
All right, you got a question, Tom will answer it for you just like that. Go click on the Ask Tom button at HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out this form and send us the question. You can send pictures too, like everybody's been doing, and it helps us do a better job answering the questions for you. We'll post it at HomeShowRadio.com. Or maybe you found this one on YouTube. We have our YouTube channel there as well. And if you want to help us out, you can subscribe and hit the bell. It helps us out, especially when you give a thumbs up to the videos you like.